What if I told you that the most powerful revenge is silence? The best way to deal with someone who hurts you is not by arguing, getting angry, or seeking revenge, but by becoming so strong and calm that they no longer have power over you. This isn't weakness, it's real strength. In life, you'll meet two kinds of people: those who help you grow and those who try to break you, sometimes through lies, betrayal, or fake kindness. That kind of pain can stay with you for years. Most people want to fight back, but the smartest response is silence and self-growth. The Stoic philosophers, like Marcus Aurelius, taught that true power comes from controlling your mind, not outside events. You can't stop others from hurting you, but you can control how you respond. When someone betrays or insults you, you can waste energy on them, or you can walk away and focus on your goals. Silence doesn't mean losing, it means rising above. When you stop reacting and start improving yourself, reading, working hard, and growing stronger, your success becomes the only answer they'll ever need. When you choose silence instead of revenge, something powerful happens. You begin to grow. You spend time with people who respect you, and you start shining from the inside. You're no longer crying, chasing, or explaining yourself. You're thriving. That silence and self-improvement become your strength. Silence isn't weakness, it's power. It forces others to face what they've done, removes their control over your emotions, and breaks their ability to manipulate you. When someone can no longer make you react, you take away their power completely. That's the Stoic way. You don't fight your enemies, you outgrow them. You move so far ahead that they no longer matter. True revenge isn't about hurting them back. It's about becoming so happy, disciplined, and fulfilled that they can't touch you again. When you stay calm instead of reacting, you win. People who hurt others crave attention and drama, but when you give them silence, they lose control. As the Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." So when you're hurt, don't waste energy on anger or revenge. Use it to become stronger, wiser, and more peaceful. Look at people who rise silently after being betrayed. They don't talk, they just glow. That's real strength. You don't need to explain, post, or prove anything. Just live so well that those who hurt you fade into the background. And remember, life has a way of balancing things. While you heal and grow, those who caused pain stay stuck in their own cycles. Your peace is the greatest revenge. When someone hurts you, rise quietly instead of retaliating. Walk away not because you're weak, but because you're wise. Don't explain, argue, beg, or fight. Just disappear and invest that energy in yourself. Focus on your purpose, peace, and progress so much that you don't look back. As you grow, they stay stuck. Your calm, steady rise becomes the justice they never expected. Months or years later, when they see who you've become without them, they'll finally understand that your silence spoke louder than any revenge.